Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nkenna. I am responsible for everything that goes on here. As you guys can tell from the title of today's video, we are going to be doing another subscription box unboxing. It's been about a year since I've done this subscription box unboxing, but I'm pretty excited about it. As you guys can tell from the title, it is for the Boss & Bay May subscription box. So without too much more talking, we're gonna go ahead and dive in. So as you guys can see, this is what the box looks like. It is just a white mailer and then it has the Boss & Bay tape on the front. So just to give you guys a little bit of background information about this subscription box, it is a melanin curated subscription box. It's a lifestyle subscription box. So it's not just gonna be hair products. It's not just gonna be makeup products. It's gonna be a lot of different things that, of course, as the name suggests, lifestyle subscription box that tie into everyday components of your everyday life. Retails for $49 and it has a $7 flat rate shipping fee every month. So that brings it to a total of $56. And there are two versions of the box. There's the Boss & Bay Shorty. This is a mini version of the box. It comes with 3 to 4 products. This retails for $29.99 a month. With the monthly subscription box, every month you're gonna get a variety of 5 to 8 full-size products. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this unboxing. When you do open up the box, you do get an information card. On the back of this, it tells you all the products, how much they retail for, where to find them, and then the social media links for Boss & Bay in case you wanna get in contact with them. So first up on the list, we have this Moly and Alexandra Cosmetics Blue Diamond Brush Set. This is a 12-piece brush set, and like right off the bat, this is such a good deal. Like we have almost surpassed the threshold of paying for this subscription box. It's a 12-piece brush set. It retails for $36. These are really pretty colors. They're pretty cute. So I'm gonna take them out, feel them, see how soft they feel. You know, the usual. These are soft. And then just to give you guys a closer look, this is what they look like. These are hypoallergenic brushes and you can find them on emilyalexandra.com. Next, from Puckered Cosmetics, we have this Galactic Gloss. This is in the shade Euphoric. As stated previously, everything in the subscription box is gonna be a full-size product. This does retail for $22. So initial thoughts, $22 for lip gloss is pretty pricey. I am not a lip gloss gal. I just don't like the sticky tackiness. I think it's really messy. I don't like food crumbs getting stuck to my lips. You know, all that, the usual. So $22 is pretty expensive. You would expect like a matte lipstick. Some of the higher end like Sephora brands to be $22 for a matte lipstick or something of that nature. So we're gonna swatch this. I can already see that it has these iridescent flecks inside of the lip gloss, and I'm also not really a fan of those. Let's see if it'll focus. Yeah, you guys can see those iridescent flecks inside. It'll show up. That's what it looks like. So it's showing up like a nude color on me. $22, would I buy a $22 lip gloss? Absolutely not. However, if you're into gloss, then this might be for you. And I don't have any lip products on right now, so I can actually try this on. It has kind of like a grainy feel to it when you put it on. Next up, we have this Tony Moly Changing You Magic Foot Peeling Shoes. This retails for $6.50. And if you guys don't know, it's like you've seen the sheet mask craze. This is like a sheet mask, but for your feet. So they're little booties. It has pictures here walking you step by step through it. It has little booties. You put them on and it has some kind of liquid in it. I'm not gonna open them right now because I just got a pedicure. I think this would be a really interesting video to do, but then not everybody likes feet. Some people are repulsed by feet, and then some people have foot fetish. So I don't know how we would go about doing this. However, you put on the footies, it has a liquid in there, you leave it on for XYZ amount of time, and then it's supposed to shed off all that dead skin from your feet. I'm like disgusted but intrigued. I really want to see how this works out, but not yet because I just got a pedicure. Next up, we have this hairband from Etude House. This is the My Beauty Tool Lovely Eddie hairband. This retails for $5. And this is cute. It just has little ears. I think we'll call them cat ears. I was gonna say bunny ears, but bunny ears are longer. These are little cat ears, and then it has elastic in the back, and you can just put it on. I have makeup on right now, so oh, my head is big. And I have these braids. I'm gonna have to put them on later. Maybe I'll insert a picture of what I look like with this on, but essentially when you're washing your face and everything, just to push your hair out of the way, or even when you're putting on your makeup, then you can do this to push your hair up out of the way and then evenly apply it, because sometimes getting near this perimeter, it can be a little tricky. So yeah, and then when you're washing your face, you can wear it as well. So I think this is really cute, and it's just a little thing that you can throw in the washing machine, wash it, and not really care about it. And that's exactly what it says on the information card. It says, hold your hair back when applying a mask or makeup with this cute hairband by one of our favorite K-beauty brands. So you can find this on their website, and it does retail for $5. Next up, we have this Flash Fix Pearl Pigment Packed. It's in the shade Romantic Light, and it's from Beauty People. Ooh, that is beautiful. I'm gonna swatch it on this hand because I still have lip gloss on this hand. That's what it looks like. It looks very pretty. And then swatch on the back of my hand. That's what it looks like. Oh, get into this. That's so pretty. I love golds on women of color. Just, it really enhances your skin tone, enhances your melanin. This is perfect. It's perfect year round. Perfect in the fall, perfect in the winter time, like holidays, and it's perfect in summer because your melanin is at its peak excellence. It's always excellent, but in the summer, you get your color back, you know, deepen your complexion, and I think golds just look really, really pretty on deep melanin skin tones. I was concerned that it was a little chunky, but as I rub this in with my finger, it blends out a lot better, and those chunks blend out and dissolve, so to speak. And this does retail for $13. Next up, from Chantilly Cosmetics, we have this Glow Dust in the shade Honey Bunches. Just to show you guys, this is what the packaging looks like. It's very simple. It has a black lid and a white container, and then it just says CC. So that's what it looks like. This is it's described as a bronze highlight shade. So again, I think that would be really pretty on deeper melanin complexions in the summertime. I generally tend to prefer this type of color in the summer, and then I go with like pearly, softer shades in the winter time. So I'd be interested to see how this holds up compared to some of the bigger name brand highlighting powders, just because you don't need too much. A little bit does go a long way. So, and it's $8, and it's super pigmented. Like, I barely rubbed this on there, and that was just like just a little smidge from when I took the plastic. You also get a sample. This is from Secret. It's the Minerals from the Dead Sea Ocean Mist Salt and Oil Scrub, and it's for all skin types. So I'll have to look at the ingredients to make sure that I can use it so I don't have an allergic reaction. And then finally, we have this Dazo Folding Bag Hood. When you total up the value for all of the items inside of the May subscription box, it totals to $90.50. So well over the $56 price tag that you would be paying for this. So it's definitely worth the value, almost double times over. So that is all that I have for you guys. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll make sure that I have all the information down below if you want to go ahead and find those products that I mentioned, or if you want to sign up for the Boss and Bae subscription box. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.